Welcome to Toki Wellbeing. It's a 5-minute guided meditation to start a beautiful day. Take a deep breath and exhale fully, allowing your mind settle in the present moment. And turn your awareness into the body, sending a wave of relaxation from crown to toes, from right to left, and sensing everything without judgment, allowing any sensation, welcoming what is there, and gradually taking deeper breaths, expanding your belly, your chest, exhaling the morning stiffness from the body. Exhaling everything that belongs to yesterday. Just clearing out the space inside. Take another deep breath. And visualize that you're inhaling soft, warm light into your body, and it fills it up. Every corner, every muscle, every organ, and it relaxes and raises vibration of every cell. Without thinking much, you're getting in sync with the vibrations of the new day. Without thinking how, just naturally tapping into your full potential. Realizing that everything you want is possible, your only way. Take another deep breath. And now we will set the intention for the day. Pick any 3 words that describe positive feelings or states that you want to experience today. They might be ease, joy, and inspiration, or any other words. Now sense the vibrations of those words. Again, there's no need to think, no need to try, figure out how. Just naturally, with ease, sense how that will be, feeling like that. And allow your body respond. Set this intention ahead of you. Stretch. Good morning.